Welcome to Palermo, the vibrant capital city of Sicily. Whether you're arriving by cruise ship and have limited time to explore, or you're simply looking for a way to experience the city independently, embarking on a walking tour of Palermo is a fantastic option. The convenience of the port being directly connected to the city makes it incredibly easy to discover Palermo's rich history, stunning architecture, and unique cultural heritage on foot. As you step off your cruise ship, you'll find yourself in the heart of Palermo, ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure. The city is a treasure trove of historical landmarks, bustling markets, and mouth-watering culinary delights. So lace up your walking shoes and let's begin our journey. Start your exploration with a visit to the iconic Cathedral of Palermo, also known as Cattedrale di Palermo. This magnificent architectural masterpiece showcases a blend of various styles, reflecting the city's diverse cultural influences over the centuries. As you wander through its halls, admire the intricate details and the stunning mosaics that tell stories of Palermo's past. Just a short stroll from the cathedral, you'll discover the enchanting Palazzo dei Normanni, or the Norman Palace. This awe-inspiring structure served as the seat of power for Sicily's rulers and boasts exquisite Byzantine mosaics in the Palatine Chapel. Don't miss the opportunity to explore the royal apartments and immerse yourself in the opulence of the past. As you wander through the streets, keep an eye out for the magnificent Teatro Massimo. The Teatro Massimo is an architectural gem and a cultural icon of Palermo. Built in the late 19th century, it is one of the largest opera houses in Europe and a testament to Palermo's love for the performing arts. The grand facade of the theater is an impressive sight, adorned with neoclassical and eclectic elements. The theater has witnessed performances by renowned artists and staged world-class operas, ballets, and concerts. As you continue your journey, the Quattro Canti, or Four Corners, will capture your attention. This iconic square serves as the symbolic center of Palermo and is adorned with magnificent Baroque architecture. Take a moment to admire the intricate statues and the harmonious design that celebrates the city's history and heritage. No visit to Palermo would be complete without exploring the charming neighborhood of Calsa. This bohemian district exudes a unique charm with its narrow alleys, hidden courtyards, and lively piazzas. Admire the architectural gems like the Church of Santa Teresa alla Calsa, and indulge in the local cuisine at the numerous trattorias and street food stalls. To round off your adventure, make your way to the waterfront and take a leisurely stroll along the picturesque Marina di Villa Igiea. Enjoy the refreshing sea breeze, soak in the panoramic views of the harbor, and marvel at the beauty of Palermo's coastline. Palermo is a city that invites exploration at every turn. By choosing to discover it on foot, you'll have the freedom to immerse yourself in its vibrant streets, interact with the friendly locals, and uncover hidden gems that may not be part of the usual guided tours. So embrace the spirit of adventure, embark on your self-guided tour, and let Palermo's charm captivate you at every step.